been a wet morning all across the state today, as we have seen some light showers pretty much all throughout the area falling down, but not really seeing a whole lot of accumulation out of this. Still a few showers lingering in our area, pushing off into Alabama. We'll see this throughout the rest of the today, and those clouds associated with that, they are sticking around as well. We're looking at our Starkville Campus Connect Skycam here, seeing those low-level overcast skies. Now, we will see some peaks of sunshine out there today. We are at 52 degrees, but we will warm up probably another 2 or 3 degrees as we get into the afternoon. All across the state, though, seeing a good variation in temperatures. Already 46 in Tunica and then 60 down there in Jackson. So that's a good 14-degree span and not a lot of distance. But the cloud cover is doing some crazy things. The rain's falling. We're seeing showers in some places, some heavier, some lighter. So all of that is playing a good role in the temperature differences across the state. But in addition to the temperatures, we have some more havoc to worry about as we get into the mid-portion of the week. Now, this low-pressure center centered down towards the Gulf area is helping to bring up some moisture, while you also have some cold air filtering down from the north. This is kind of similar to the setup we had a couple of weeks ago that produced the big snowfall event throughout a lot of the state. Now, with this jet sweeping down here and just the exact position of the low as we get into Tuesday night into Wednesday, we could see an interesting weather pattern, I guess you could say, over the next few days. Now, out of this, we could see some snowfall, some rain out of this, but where exactly this falls, still a little up for debate. Now, about I-20 as you move down towards Meridian and Jackson, that's a pretty good indicator that we'll see all rain down here farther towards the south, but around the Golden Triangle area, we could see some snowfall. Again, the temperatures, all of that, still working on the fine details of that for right now, but farther towards the north, looks like the greatest possibility of seeing some accumulating snow as we get into Wednesday morning. But that's still a couple of days away, so let's concentrate on today for right now. 55 degrees, the expected high for this afternoon with that south wind at 5 miles per hour. Now, we will calm down on those winds for tonight and drop the temperature as well, but that cloud cover staying around, and also we can see some more widespread rain as we get into tonight, some of it heavier than we saw this morning, probably not much more than maybe a half an inch total in some of the higher places. But as we get into the rest of the week, again, that crazy forecast comes back into the picture Tuesday night into Wednesday morning with some possible accumulations of snowfall. Wednesday morning, again, that looks like the best chances for that looks to be points north of 82. But in the Golden Triangle, we could see some light accumulations on the ground. Once we get that system out of here, sunshine comes back into the picture for Wednesday and Thursday. A lot of sunshine in the forecast for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And then look at that on Saturday, getting up to the 60-degree mark. That will feel nice for a lot of people out there. But those lows, Friday and Saturday, Friday dipping back down into the upper 20s, and then Saturday rebounding into the mid-30s. Thanks so much for logging on to Campus Connect.